Hi guys, good afternoon. Main question, what is a cost engineer or ano ba ang ginagawa ng isang cost engineer sa project or sa office? So let's find out. Main reason of asking this question, maybe you're a fresh graduate of civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, but mostly ang pumapasok or na-hire are civil engineers. But that doesn't stop any other uh, type of engineer na mag-apply. Kasi me personally, I'm a mechanical engineer but nasa commercial department ako when it comes to construction industry. So ayun, balik tayo sa question. So what is a cost engineer? So a cost engineer is reporting directly to the head of the project, or sa case dito sa Philippines, meron tayong project manager, may construction manager, or your direct supervisor ng, or let's say the senior cost engineer. So the cost engineer will play a pivotal role in ensuring accurate cost assessments, effective budget management, and financial control across diverse projects. Kasi, let's say, yung company nyo is maraming projects, uh, hindi lang isang project ang hawak niya. Basically, lalo na sa experience ko, up to limang projects ang hawak ng isang cost engineer. So it depends pa din sa amounts or the scale of the project in terms of amount, kung kaya mo ba siyang i-handle. So, kung balikan natin, is ensuring accurate cost assessments. Kasi, basically, ikaw ang cost engineer, you are under the commercial department, ikaw ang may hawak ng pera. Or let's say, kung ano ang magiging amount or final amount ng project, hawak mo. So, let's say, effective budget management meron din. Kasi, ikaw nga ang hawak ng project, ikaw ang magre-report sa PM mo or sa project manager mo, pasok ba sa budget ang mga in-order nyong POs or ang mga purchase request nila, pasok ba sa budget na ibinigay from estimating team. And we have here the financial control across diverse portfolio of the project. Kasi minsan, we have this called the credit debit advice. Kasi kung ikaw ang may hawak ng limang other projects, kung same site location lang naman, baka pwede mo siyang yung cost dito sa kabilang project, parang malulugi na tong project na to. So basically, baka pwede mo siyang ilipat dito sa kabilang project. Knowing na logical naman yung pag-transfer mo ng cost. So, in a way, ang pagiging cost engineer is ensuring na hindi lugi ang project na hinahawakan mo. There are mitigations or there are processes na pwede mong gawin, but you have to present it, of course, sa senior management nyo, kung is it right? Logical ba to? So, you have to prepare kung gagawa ka ng mga cost transfer. If it's logical, kung may documents ka ba to prove that eto dapat talaga ang gagawin. So, making sure that all of your projects are within the profit margin na as bid, kung paano nyo na award, paano na award sa inyo ang project, making sure na at the end of the project, pasok or let's say above the as bid profit margin ang let's say ang project mo. So, yun ang basic principle, but we can go beyond what are the, or let's say, the job responsibilities talaga ng isang cost engineer. So, we have here cost estimation. So, this is collaborate with project managers, engineers, and other stakeholders to develop comprehensive and accurate cost estimates for projects. Kasi minsan, let's say, kahit awarded na ang project sa inyo, may mga site instructions or let's say, lalo na yung kliyente is may another or let's say may dagdag, may additional requirement pala na hindi na consider before, while sa ASBID. So, ngayon, may ibibigay na site instruction, another scope or additional scope. At the end of this estimation, magiging goal is a variation order siya. So, additional fee din yon. So, let's say may bagong site instruction and you have to create a cost estimation of magkano ba tong additional na to, and of course you have to send a proposal and a quotation sa kliyente na agreeable naman sa kanila. So under cost estimation pa din, conduct thorough cost analysis to identify potential cost saving opportunities and optimize project budgets. Yun naman talaga ang goal ng pagiging cost engineer natin. So you have a cost saving, maghahanap ka talaga ng cost saving opportunity, lalo na kung palugi ang project mo. So we have a second one, budgeting and forecasting. So work closely with the project manager to establish and monitor project budgets, aligning them with organizational goals and financial objectives. So lalo na when it comes to forecasting, you really have to prepare a spreadsheet, so we can discuss that later. Ano yung mga spreadsheets that you can do para yung forecasting mo is aligned, lalo na when you tap or o-audit ka ng project accountant nyo, you have to prepare breakdown talaga ng paperworks ninyo. So we have also assist in the preparation of regular budget forecast, providing timely updates and recommendations, kasi nga ikaw ang may hawak ng budget, or let's say ng numbers. Though si project accountant kasi may pumapasok sa kanilang general ledger, pero sa kanila kasi pag pumasok na. So on your side, you're the one doing the forecasting, yung hindi pa papasok. Kasi when it comes sa site then may ginagawa na sa site, pero yung subcontractor nyo is hindi pa nagbibill. So you have to consider that as your, or let's say, accruals sa ganitong cut-off na to. So another one, we have the cost control. Ano ba tong cost control? So basically, it implements, or you as a cost engineer implement robust cost control measures to proactively manage project expenses and prevent budget overruns. Yan ang goal din talaga ng pagiging cost engineer, prevent budget overruns. So lahat ng mga purchase requests or may mga cash advances nga and emergency POs na nangyayari on site, lalo na pag urgent na talaga, may hinahabol na deadline. So you have to prepare, kahit on my experience naman, yung cost engineer ang nag-a-approve ng mga purchase request before nila mapapasign ito sa PM, knowing na or let's say trusting yung PM sa cost engineer na pasok to sa budget. And conduct regular reviews of project expenditure, and then identifying variances and implementing corrective actions as needed. Ito naman sa identifying variances, ito talaga ang buhay ng pagiging cost engineer, and of course ng mga accountants, kasi sabay kayo ni accountant nito sa pagko-correct ng mga variances. So speaking of accountant, meron din tayong financial reporting. So you as a cost engineer prepare detailed financial reports and present cost-related information to the head of the projects and other stakeholders. So hindi lang actually yung head of the project mo, yung head din ng accountant, yung head din ng treasury, yung head din ng mga ng procurement, kasi baka hindi pa nabayaran yung mga suppliers nila. And conduct regular variance analysis naman to identify deviations between planned and actual cost. Marami talagang variances ang planned and actual, so you have to logically report to the senior management, these are the variances kasi ganito ang nangyari on site. And provide insights and analysis as cost performance, highlighting areas for improvement and efficiencies. So ito yung, let's say, kasi hawak mo ang numbers, what can you do, or yung cost performance na naman ng project, highlighting those, or if you have recommendations paano ma-improve, kasi baka though let's say may reporting ka this month, bagsak ang report mo, so you can say, kasi hawak mo ang project, hawak mo yung forecasting, next month sure mababawi natin ang cost performance nito kasi may next month ma-adjust natin to. So we have here also your collaboration with the other teams kasi procurement, accountants, kahit HR natin kasi may manpower tayo. You really have to collaborate with them para pasok sa budget ang lahat ng galawan sa project natin. So work closely with procurement and finance teams to optimize cost effectiveness in the acquisition of materials and services. Speaking of services, ito na yung mga mag-award tayo ng mga subcontractors. And of course, you have to really know the contractors kung pasok ba sa kanilang budget at pasok ba sa budget mo. Kasi minsan, yung as-bid natin na budget, let's say, 1 year ago pa yon. Yung pag-award ngayon, may inflation na, nagmahal na. So, you really have to go into negotiations then sometimes. And of course, what are your skills of being cost engineer? Number 1, strong project management and business process skills. So, kasi hawak mo yung budget, hawak mo yung pera, hawak mo yung forecast on the health status of the project ngayon at saka at the end of the project. So, you really have to be strong naman din talaga, proactive kumbaga. Next one, we have proven experience as a cost engineer. Though, kahit hindi ka pa cost engineer, natututunan naman ang pagiging cost engineer. So, don't worry. Strong understanding of cost estimation, budgeting, and financial analysis. Next, proficiency in relevant software and tools such as Microsoft Excel, project management software like Oracle, SAP, kasi ito yung two major na gamit ng project management. We have also excellent communication skills and the ability to present complex financial information in a clear and concise manner. Of course, you have to really do lots of explanation. Gamit mo naman or hawak mo naman ang numbers, so you really have to tell a story gamit ang mga numbers na hawak mo. So, present it logically to them. Of course, kayang-kaya yan. So, that's it for now. And we'll discuss lots and lots on the next episode. Bye!